Hi, I'm Lars Vallow, and today we are joining Best of Ignite at Microsoft in Denmark. And in this small break, I just want to show you some of the new features that we have on the Microsoft Whiteboard. We got this new ability to post Microsoft Whiteboard directly into Teams. So when we have these meetings and we want to share these notes, we could either invite the people from our own AD. This is the people that I work most with, or I could even just type one name and then you will be able to select the people that you want to join this whiteboard. Another cool feature that Microsoft opened up for is that we are able to share it directly into Microsoft Teams. So I got this ability to post it to my team, so now it takes a little bit of a while, but it's actually opening up my teams and my channels. And since I'm signed in on the whiteboard already, the Surface Hub knows where to look. So here we go. I got my own team here and I will post it into my Modern Workplace channel. And when I've posted this link, I'm still able to share everything even though I'm in a call. It's posted right now, it says, and then I get back to my whiteboard. So I can actually still keep on drawing in my whiteboard. And for instance, if people are working from home or another place, you will be able to take your laptop. I think I'll try to join you a bit near. Okay, so here we are on my own PC and would be able to join this Microsoft Whiteboard even though I'm not in the room where the Surface Hub is. So I'll push my pen channel on the Modern Workplace and go right down here in the button where I actually have the link to my whiteboard. So pushing that link will open up my Microsoft Whiteboard app, but if you doesn't have a Microsoft Whiteboard installed, it will push you out to a browser-based version of it and you will be able to join as well on that link. So actually it's getting all the information from the Surface Hub where I started drawing the whiteboard, and then I'm able to actually do this kind of collaboration. So I can sit right back home and I will still be able to discuss what's in the room, and most of all I can actually see everything what is actually happening on the Surface Hub. So look at this. This is actually the idea that I work from home, but everybody is able to see everything on the Surface Hub. So it's live and easy working, quite nice. And this is one of the greatest features that I have seen on the Microsoft Whiteboard, really enabling the Microsoft Teams also to get a much more collaborative world. So getting back to the Surface Hub, here we are again. So just to share that we are able to actually do this kind of collaboration where I do it directly on my Surface Pro or any other Windows 10 device. And actually this app is also available on iOS devices. So I can do collaboration and everything is right on time at your own PC, wherever you are. And also one of the cool features with signing in on the Microsoft Whiteboard is that now I got access to all my whiteboards that I have been using previously in meetings. So I got access to a lot of different things that we have already done on the Microsoft Whiteboard. So just a short tip from my side. See you, bye.